Welcome everyone! Many customers want to know how to quickly install graphics to our Lintel pop-up stand. The first method is to attach the fabric printing to the hook and loop or Velcro strip. This is the classical way. The second method is to hook small pieces onto the frame. You can display your brand logo in different shapes. The third method is to paste the PVC film graphic onto the frame through the magnetic strip. This method makes the frame looks more beautiful and elegant. The last method is to attach the fabric printing onto the frame through the silicone strip. In this way, you can DIY your pop-up stand. No matter which product, Lintel can conduct format printing to ensure that your pop-up stand backdrop is clear and colorful. If you want to know more, just follow me.